from Tastefully Tash. Today I'm in the Coco Kitchen making a Berry Bircher Muesli. So to make my Bircher Muesli, I love Bircher because it's so flexible and you can use whatever's hanging out in your pantry or your fridge and just combine your breakfast. The first thing that you have to remember though that I do is soak your oats overnight. So if you just remember just before you go to bed and then put your oats with some water and then let them soak and then you can combine everything in the morning. I often put about, for myself, just a cup of oats, but if you're making it for two, then 2 cups. And then I like it quite creamy, so I put in lots of coconut yogurt. And since I'm making a berry bircher, I'm going to actually put berries throughout it as well as top it. So I'll put some blueberries throughout it. So if you want a bit of sweetener and a bit of flavour, then I put in rice malt syrup. You can use any type of sweetener, but I love rice malt syrup because it's quite mild. It's pretty much dessert for breakfast. And then my favourite bit is topping it all. So I just put lots of fresh berries and nuts, and I like nuts for texture, so you add berries and all the fresh things, and then you can add whatever you like for texture. I often start with doing the berries as the base colour layers, and then I'll add the nuts and then any like tiny little additions. So you can actually mix the raisins through the blend at the beginning if you want, or you can just top it with them.